Africa is the poorest continent on earth. Moreover, the economic insecurity, political instability, corruption, civil war, and terrorists have left millions of Africa living in abject poverty. Shout out to Mr. Beast that has been helping African countries with food, light, and electricity. God will bless Mr. Beast for us. So in this episode, talking about the top 6 poorest Africa countries in the whole of Africa. Let's get into today's. Burundi. Based on the per capita, Burundi ranked as the number 1st poorest country. Burundi, officially the Republic of Burundi, is a landlocked country in the Great Rift Valley at the junction between the African Great Lakes, having a population of 12.55 million people as at 2022. Burundi is one of the least developing countries, facing poverty, corruption, literacy, and many young people migrate in search of opportunities elsewhere by going to the Western country, that USA, just to work as a part-time worker there or a trader. Their money does not have any value at all, and they are extremely poor. Central African Republic, having a population of 5.457 million people as at 2022. Central African Republic is a landlocked country in Central Africa. It is bordered by Chad to the North Sudan. The Central African Republic has the second highest rate of poverty in the world, with nearly 70% of the country people living in extreme poverty. Central Africa are living without electricity is one of the countries in Africa that the great YouTuber Mr. Beast gave electricity in the country, and the money does not have any value at all. That is why their young ones leave their country and go to the Western country to look for better opportunities out there. Central Africa is the second most poorest African country in the whole of Africa. DR Congo, having a population of 95.89 million people as at 2022. The Democratic Republic of Congo, also known as DR Congo, despite being the second largest country in Africa with the approximate area of 2.3 million square kilometers and being endorsed with rich natural resources, the DR Congo is number 3 poorest country in the world, and they have low income rate because their governments are not using their natural resources well for them. That's why young people are migrating from the other country, going to the Western country to seek for better opportunities. That's why you see many Africans, they come to the Western country just to seek for opportunities, just to make money over there and bring back to their country. That is why DR Congo are few in their country, but their country is very large. They have a large capacity, they have a large square kilometer, but they are few in their country because their country is not well developed. Somalia, having a population of 17 million people as at 2022. Somalia, officially the Federal Republic of Somalia. The country is bordered by Ethiopia to the west based on the gross domestic product in 2021. International business climate. Somalia is poor on international business climate because the country has low income rate and the country is in a bad situation right now. Somalia, their income is not that much. Their country is just very little small, and their money does not have any value like Nigerians' money. That is Mozambique, having a population of 32.8 million people as at 2022. Mozambique is a South African nation whose long Indian Ocean coastline with a popular beach like Tofa. All through, Mozambique has experienced strong economic growth in the recent year. Access to nutritious food, clean water, sanitation, electricity, and employment are still very low, especially for those in the rural area. Mr. Beast gave Mozambique light and shelter then in one of the small rural area. You guys watch the video that Mr. Beast donate electricity to African country. Mozambique is one of the African country Mr. Beast gave light. The government are not doing anything. It's Mr. Beast that is helping Mozambique right now. Shout out to Mr. Beast. Thank you, Mr. Beast, and God is going to reward you. Nigeria has a population of 25.25 million people as at 2022. Niger, officially the Republic of Niger, is a landlocked country in West Africa. Due to the low interest rate and inadequate development like electricity, social amenities, and others has made Niger extremely bad, and the state of the country is not good at all. That is why you see their young ones, their young youth leaving their country to the Western country just to seek for opportunities like jobs, and they do any job for just a living.